How to delete cookies from all sites. Now what I'll do is, first of all I'll go to this three dot option and click this, and I'll scroll down and we'll found the more tools option. Now I'll go to this clear browsing data. So as you can see that if you want to delete history, that will be also be deleted, cache images and files, that will also be deleted. So let's say we only want cookies and other site data from delete. We will actually delete this thing, and as you can see there is written signs you out of most of the sites. So what I'll do is, if you will select this clear data, then all will this is gone. And there have you got options, last or to last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and you can select from where do you want to delete. So if you will click this clear data option, then all will be cookies will be gone. So this is how to delete cookies from internet.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.